This app I'm about to share with you will help you verify your Rumble account freely without stress and no struggle. Now, if you have registered on Rumble or if you have not registered, check my video. I'm going to be attaching that video to this video. So if you don't know about Rumble, go ahead and watch that my video. You will get a good knowledge about Rumble. You know that people in the African countries, Nigeria, Ghana, and the rest of those countries are finding it very, very difficult to verify their Rumble account. So in this video, I'm going to sharing with you an app that you can freely use to verify your Rumble account. Trust me when I say it's very, very stress free. You know, there are some videos on YouTube here that you will watch, they say it's free, you click on it, you not get the code. I'm a victim of that. I tried so many methods, although I have not tried the paid method on other ones, because the ones I saw was pay $10, pay $8, and the rest of them. I say no, it's just code I wanted. So I keep searching and searching, and I came across this app. All right, so you just need 400 naira to verify anyways on this app I'm about to share with you. So it's very easy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can go about everything, how you can register your Rumble account very easily. All right, so I'm going to be taking through this correct video and share with you. By the way, so if this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, welcome to my channel. What we do here, I come here to share updates on how to grow on YouTube here, and then I tell you mistakes that you can avoid to, to get your channel monetized here on YouTube. So if these are the videos you would like to watch, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also turn on the bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified that yes, I've dropped a new video, guys. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store and download this app called SMS Visual. Okay, this is the app I use to verify my Rumble account. All right, the first thing you need to do is to install the app in your Google Play Store. All right, because this app is installed in my phone, that's why it's showing open here. Do you understand? So you that has not installed it before, you are going to see install. So go ahead and install the app first of all. Then immediately install the app to your phone, go ahead and register. So you just go ahead and open it. Once you open it, I think they ask of your email or something. I've forgotten it's not a long process. Just go ahead and open it. Once you open it, they'll bring you to an interface like this. Do you understand? Once they bring you to an interface like this, so now this is my Rumble account. All right, so now for you to verify your account, please, if you have not registered on Rumble, I'm going to be attaching that video to this video, so you go ahead and register on Rumble. This is how to do the verification. You all know that without a verification, you are not getting a dime on Rumble. All right, so you need to verify your account first of all before start posting and start aiming to earn with Rumble. All right, so now the first thing you need to do is to click on this your profile. I told you that this my account, I did not set up anything on this my account, so I just want to show you guys how to verify your account on Rumble. All right, so now once you click on this your profile, you are going to click on settings. All right, once you click on settings, you click the three dots, the three lines, sorry, here at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click it, you see verification, settings, profile, local banks, and the rest of them. Go ahead and click on verifications. All right, so now once you click on verification, this place will pump out like this. Yeah, so all you need to do is to change this place, because in this place you can use only UK number to verify. That's what I noticed. I don't know if US is working really, but it was UK I used to verify my account. So go ahead and look for UK. All right, the United Kingdom. Right, go ahead and look for UK. Okay, now this is UK. Now go ahead and click on United Kingdom. All right, so now once you click on it, now you scroll down. Immediately you click on it, you see their plus. Nigerian is plus 23 plus 123, right? Then this down is plus 44. So once you've indicated the United Kingdom, go back to that app. Now let's go. Let me go and share with you. Now once you are here, yeah, go ahead and click on this purchase. Okay, now once you click on that purchase, now if you look down now, you will see one activations is 425 naira, five activations 1450 naira. As you can see, we tried the first way, it did not work. So now all you need to do is to click on this first one, 425 naira payment. Once you click it, you see payment processing. It will bring out your bank details, then you go ahead and make payment. Okay, now once you successfully made payment, as you can see, balance 1. Now they have given you one number to activate. Do you understand? So you go ahead and click on continue number activation. Do you understand? So now once you click on UK and then you click on activate phone number, since you have one number to activate, you now see this number here. Then go back to your Rumble account and impute this phone number that they have given you. All right, so I'm going to copy it and go back to my Rumble account. So I'm going to impute the number here, paste the number. I'm going to remove the 44 here. Okay, now once you click on the 44, you go ahead and click on text me. All right, once you click on text me, you can see enter the code here. You go back to that app, they've sent a code. All right, so they have already sent the code. You go ahead and copy the code. Has been copied. All right, so you copy the code and go back to Rumble and impute the code. So once you click on it, will bring you to this interface. Go ahead and click on United Kingdom. That is the number we are using, remember. So you go ahead and activate a phone number. All right, so a number has been activated for us again. Guys, the first one I used did not work. The first one I activated did not work. So although I've used this app for my first account, this is my second account I'm trying to activate with this one. So let's see if it will be activated. So I just opened my Rumble account with my other phone, because since I minimized, the thing affected me, so I don't want such thing to happen again, you understand? So guys, this is what has been showing me, because I've done it over and over again with the first number that I bought. But then look at it, once I click on text me, this is the message that is coming. Since you are exceeding reasonably limit on request, please try again later. I think I've tried it for so many times and this is what it's showing me. Okay, it is what it is. Just follow the process and you get your account verified. All right, so all you need to do is just to copy the link that they will send to you. I would advise that you just open your other Rumble accounts. I would advise that you open your Rumble account with another phone, because so for you to minimize and go back again, it will give you headache, just like the way it gave me now. But trust me, it's really working. So just use this way and then verify your Rumble account. It's very simple. It's very easy. I'm so sorry that I could not show you the end process of this video, but trust me, it was successful with my first account. So I believe this one too, they have sent me a code first of all, right? You guys saw it, but the thing is that before I could minimize and go back again, the thing just took me out, and since I've been trying to do it, it did not work. So it did not work at all. So just follow the process that I've showed you guys, and then you get the account verified. All right, hope you guys understand, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video to anyone that is finding it difficult to verify their Rumble account. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.